Thank you very much again. And before I tell you, there was a very famous 17th century philosopher Thomas Hobbes. Maybe you know him. Describes life as nasty, brutish, and short. But now there is one more thing, worse for us is that life is nasty, brutish, and long. So you understand what I mean? So now we are talking of longevity, that we cannot die easily. So how can we have a life that's so long? And that's what I'm talking about, that longevity revolution from Korea standard. So I'm going to talk to you. Our cell therapy programs are made of these items. And then maybe, I'm sorry. Next slide, please. Okay. Our focus is that regenerative medicine of course with the functional medicine, and cell therapy, and comprehensive cares. Now AESLS is going to provide comprehensive beauty, plastic, immune system, immune boostering, modulator, anti-aging general health care, even the sexual function improvement, and the musculoskeletal, kind of more younger, sexier, beautiful, healthier, living longer, those kind of things we are going to talk. Next, please. I don't think you know her. She's a very famous figure in Korea Medical Society. When I was in Korea about 15 years ago, I had played, with a group, my group together. We played golf together. And this my alumni from the same medical college, but she's about, she's about 25 years older than me. And those group, bypassed us so quickly. They play so fast, so good, amazing. Since that time, she's still like this. Her age is about 92 years old. She's the owner of the one very famous medical college. She's the owner, doctor. 92 years old, she's still dancing. And then, we doctors, Korean doctors think, oh, she's maybe an alien. How's that look? 92 years old. Anyway, that's how we thinking about how to do this. Please, next. And we have a friendship with this Dr. Sinclair from Harvard, very famous. And then recently, next slide, he presented some innovative idea about the longevity, opinion in Dubai recently, before the war. And then every diseases here listed: diabetes, kidney disease, cardiovascular, everything, Alzheimer. These disease entities, getting exponentially increasing as you're getting older. But so we doctors are treating each disease one by one. But his idea, Dr. Sinclair's opinion is that there's another approach. Is that you can totally, move all these diseases toward the right side. It means that this 60 years old, 50, 60, 70 years, this age can be moved to the right side. How? By, treating the oldness. That's his answer. So next slide. It's a new idea. And but I think I have to make it certain, no misunderstanding here, that what I'm talking is just for the academic purposes. We are not going to implement or execute any these cell therapies in the soil of Malaysia. No, because of the regulation. This is totally. We are showing to you the Korean standard, which is being done and still very active outside of Malaysia. Please, next. We Korean longevity, the backbone of Korean longevity system is actually the stem cell therapy, which is proven to reduce recovery time even for the after cancer patients. Well-known fact. Next. So I'm going to here talk about these issues one by one from the what are the stem cells, you also already know, and mechanism, cell source, and what is UCMHC, and immune system, and anything else. Next. I think you already know about this very well. I don't need to mention. Just quick review again. The AD-MSC is adipose cell, fat cell, very well known. But our focus for the Korean longevity focus is about umbilical cord MSC. This is the key. And then NK cell, and then etc. We can tell that this system is not even legal in Korea, like Malaysia. So we are doctors, Korean doctors here, but they also cannot get this system in Korea because of the regulation, even though this is a Korean system. So we Korea, made this GMP factory, GMP facility factories outside of Korea to introduce and to this system. And we can say our longevity Korean system is the only one legal with this UCMSC in Asia. Yeah, that's the fact. Okay, next slide. And you know what? The mechanism of action of stem cells, you know very well, everything. Everything good seems to be written here, including the immunity, the angiogenesis, wound healing, everything getting younger. Next slide. And then the cell source is, here. Many Korean doctors just to do, even in Seoul, Korea, just to do this adipose cell stem cell. Easy to avoid regulations, and can be done in each clinic. But this UCMSC is from umbilical cord, needs industry level GMP facilities. Lots of investment needed, has to follow the regulations, those things, very challenging. And we got this. This is the core of Korean mechanism. Next. And then this is also just, repeating what I just talked to you. And then next. So, yeah. I don't think, can you see it well? The letters. Next, please. Very, very well. You have maybe, I think, some of the doctors here already doing this. When I was in Korea, I also do this when I was younger. But now we are talking of this UCMSC. From the mostly Korean system is from the Watson's jelly, because this is the most effective and also with the least complications expected. Next slide. And this is maybe one of the key of how to be safe from any expected complication, side effects, or unexpected outcomes from collecting, Wharton jelly, for example, from the donors. Is that we have follow every donor testing, donor agreement, and legal compliances, many things, especially the viruses, HIV, hepatitis C, and any others you can imagine. Next slide. So until now, just preview of the concept, and I'm going to now show you the practical, the real protocol. One of the protocols I'm going to show you is that, especially when there's a patient comes really to discuss, this is one of the protocols, Korean protocols. For example, how many MSCs for how many durations, how to mix between the MSC and the NK cell and other treatment together. So this kind of protocols, just showing one or two, but actually made of over 10 or 20 protocols, can be presented to the customers. Next slide. And also, we also talking about the NK cell systems. There are, inborn immunity and then the acquired immunity. You know it very well. Next slide. Okay. Now we are focusing more about natural killer cells. This is the natural killer cells mechanism, how to kill the diseased cells with how to activate natural killer cells. This is our how can I say? I know that even many rich people, even doctors here, even I was looking for natural cells. How can I boost my own natural killer cells? That was the question, and then I'm not going to tell you about that. Next. Why choose NK cell here? Is that there are many reasons, about 6 reasons here, because it has a broad and rapid anti-tumor activities. Even for the solid cancer, not just the blood cancers, and also not yet, and also is overcoming tumor immune evasion. The tumors are very smart, enough to avoid our cancer therapy, but this natural cell is even more smarter than cancer cells. That's what I'm talking. And also, this is the least lower risk of side effect among other immune boosters, because it is using natural killer cells is using our own blood, and the processing in the GMP facilities, and giving back to our blood system a few days later. So, there is no actually side effect. And then, very interesting is that this natural killer cell is more easily, how can I say, accessible with the genetic engineering, easy to, manipulate. That's another reason. And also, this NK cell, not just work only, is a team player. I mean, the natural NK cell is working with another immune cells to have a more better effect. It's very unique feature of NK cell. Also, as I told you, but once again, natural killer also killing the solid tumor, also not just blood cancer. Next. Also, another example of is the practical protocol how to present to the patients that sometimes we mix NK, and then UC, MSC, or for the period from 4 months to 12 period. Sometimes all different, UC, MSC, 2 times, and then NK cell, or NK first and then 1 time UC, MSC, or reversed MSC first and then NK cell. Every combination follows the discussion with the patients, customers, and what is their hope, what they want. Do they want more fast recovery from cancer, or do they just want, they are young, still young and very healthy persons, but they want something else? It depends. That many combinations of treatment has the different outcomes each other. Next slide. So this is the most easy protocol we are using. Our system is that one of these NK intensive program, 5 sessions. 1 time, you just need 1 time blood, sampling, about 300 cc, and then 5 times. During 6 months or even 1 year, possible. And then maybe, we can have interval resting time. Everything depends on the study, examination. Next. And I'm going to pass this in, because Dr. Basante already clarified on this another stem cell kind of, Next slide. So basically, stem cell longevity system, UC, MSC is IV injection. And then NK cell also IV injection. Next slide. This is an example in Korea with the Korean customers, for example, stem cell treatment. Her name is something like Mrs. Che. Anyway, in summary, we have a record from first injection and about 10 times stem cell treatment from the bio age is from 78 to 58. Studied by one of the indication like telomere length. Next slide. This kind of studies, how to present outcomes to the customers is one of the example of the report paper. It's like this in Korea. Yeah. Very, objective, outcomes. Next slide. So I'm going to more detail, process is that for the UC MSC, you just visit 1 time. No preparation. You just visit the clinic, and then 1 day treatment. Just, with 2 hours treatment. Just visit and get the treatment done. That is the UC MSC. But for the NK cell treatment, that you have to visit 2 times because your blood needed to culture and prepare in the facilities. Next slide. Another thing I'm going to bypass, but we are the aesthetic doctors, so I also can say that we also have a cell unit system. It's another talking, not just exactly about longevity, for the SVF. We can quickly process from the whatever the source of the customers. Automation, full automation system we have. Very small sized, compact, but full automation. Next slide. Very interesting is that now I'm just, talking of Korean longevity system, but also we have Japanese, longevity system. Korea and Japan, we often work together. There are also many styles, but the main difference between Korea and Japan is that Japanese doctors mostly the AD, USC, they are using the fat, adipose cell, stem cells. That's the difference. And then this is, I think, I'm going to introduce to you because this is very unique. I think this can be good. They are using, what is this called? Dr. Vasanti, inhalator? Okay. They use this. This is kind of exosome, special exosome. And then by inhalation, maybe you can do it at home, in the clinic, every day. But going through the delivery to the lung, deeply, it goes deeply. And this is one of the example of very funny to know system. So what I'm saying is that when you discuss about stem cells, it's just too complicated injection things. People are afraid of things, but sometimes this very easy to use system also possible with in study, not exactly to the IV system, but very near can come to the near effect only with the simple system. Thank you. Next. And then it is also common that so anybody can get stem cell therapy. No, you have to do many pre-examination to get the stem cell therapy. Anybody cannot do it. So there are many. For example, here, this is the basic examination, full hematology, CBC like that, anything. And then you also need to do the cancer index. We have to know that whether the customer has the CEA elevated, PSA total elevated, or CA, is there any, something wrong with, these numbers, then we have to reconsider, proposing to the customer and the re-evaluation of the whole, body system of the customers before we do advise the longevity system. And then and this is the must to do in the left side. And the right side is actually the not mandatory, but these essays can help us to understand what is the outcome before and after the stem cell treatment. We can compare these numbers so that can predict outcomes and talk to the customers and explain to the customers. Next slide. This is just repeating because the previous slide was written in Korea. Now I made it in also English for you to understand more. Many lists to do. Yeah, not easy. Next slide. Also, these are not allowed in Malaysia. It is we are doing in Korean clinics. Is that we are using the stem cell in almost every aesthetic plastic surgery treatment together to enhance the effect. For example, here, even with the blepharoplasty, we do it. Others, I think you know it already. Next slide. And this is one of the examples. one of the example of our Korean system overseas Korea, not in Korea, to do the longevity system. Just mentioned, we need this kind of very luxury because these are the high-end customers. Example. Next slide. So it's looking like the similar another clinic, but this kind of comfortable place is needed. Next slide. Also we need for the overseas accommodation. We also need drivers and cars because the customer has to move around. The customer has to stay maybe 1 night, 2 nights, 3 nights, even 1 week. That is so. We are talking Korean longevity system is kind of industry level, not just the clinic basis. Or next slide. Indications are here, for the stem cell treatment, for the entire body, for the local part, whatever, everything. Sometimes also, I'm now 61 years old. Sometimes I also want to get some wondering, I also want to get some UCMS treatment. I think so, really, to get more, for example, to get more muscles, to get more hairs, maybe, like that. Okay? Next slide. And there are clinical advances, this is the final slide. Next. There are mostly these are leading by Korean doctors, these areas, like this anti-aging facial skincare, Dr. Bak, cosmetic dermatology, 2023. Next slide. So many articles, but I just presenting a few as a reference. And facial anti-aging fat graft, not by Korean. It is done, 2015. Also the and next slide. Like me, alopecia. I had also. When I also had, practiced in Vietnam 4 years, and then I had used lots of these things in Vietnam, mostly in Saigon, which is Ho Chi Minh City. Yeah, it works. It's my personal experience. Next slide. Even though I just told you, combining the breast augmentation with the stem cell, it is now done by the Japanese doctors. A little long while ago, 28 aesthetic plastic surgery. Next slide. Even the diabetes, 1. And when I was in Vietnam, many rich customers come to actually for the diabetes 2, not diabetes 1. It is not proven, academically, but they were better after anyway the stem cell treatment. But anyway, next slide. So this is the last slide I want to talk about. Maybe the most important is that to get UC, umbilical cord MSC, in this money, big money. I'm talking for the GMP facilities, not a small lab scale, it's industry scale, big money required, have to follow every compliances and regulations, everything. So we Korea system is the biggest facilities in Asia, and all legal only in Asia. That's our Korean protocol. So that's the last slide. And then I just hope you understand my concerns about these new things. It's new in Malaysia, and I hope we can talk more, and then maybe we can share together about this system here. Thank you very much.